This video demonstrates how to create your first experience to showcase your studio sessions effectively. To create the first experience, go on the Experience button on the side panel. Now, click on the New Experience button in the center. On this page, enter your details about the experiences. You can add photos and a video of your studio or your experience. You can add up to 4 images here. Let's just add one. Next, let's look at the details. This is your experience title. Since the title and image are the first things users see, make sure you choose a title that grabs their attention. A good formula is your name or area, plus what your experience offers. For example, Chelsea Painting Session. For the hosting address, simply select the studio you created during sign-up. This is the actual address of your studio, and it will be kept private. If you're hosting somewhere different, click Add New Studio to create a new one. Then select that studio. Next, in the description, explain what you'll be doing in your experience or open studio session. Give users a clear picture of what to expect. Now it's time to pick where your experience will take place. You can either type the location in this field or scroll through the map and click on the spot. It will be picked up automatically. Next, you can choose whether to make your experience public or closed. By default, your experience will be available on the Explore page and open to the public. If you don't want anyone to see or book your experience, you can close the studio. Simply flip this toggle to switch between public and closed. Next, the first option here is Edit Date, where you can select the date of your experience. There are 3 options here: Recurring, Custom, and Flexible. In Recurring, you choose this option when you are certain that you will be opening your experience from a particular date to a particular date. For example, you have your experience from August 18th till September 18th. You can change any date in this part if you want. You can also choose which days of that particular week you want your experience to be open. Let's say we choose Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You can choose the timing at which you want your users to join you, for example, from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Next is Custom. This is for when you have one specific date for your workshop or experience. Maybe you only want to open it for a single day, and that's it. Say the 22nd of August, starting at 9 a.m. and ending at 5 p.m. Just click Add Date, and it gets added like this. The third option is Flexible. Here, you don't need to specify any dates at all. You simply choose how many days your experience to stay live. Next is the pricing for your experience. There are 3 options here. First, you can host your experience or open studio for free. Just choose the maximum number of guests you want per session. Let's say 5 guests, set it as free, and you can move forward. The second option is paid by hour. Here, you can add the hourly rate for your session, and again, set how many guests you want for that particular session. For now, let's say the number of guests per visit is 5. You can set whatever rate seems appropriate for your session. Let's go with $100 per hour. So a user pays $100 for 1 hour to visit your experience or your open studio. Next is Fixed Price. Fixed price is a per-ticket cost instead of per hour. The user will be buying a ticket, and you can choose however long you want the session to be. It can be 1 hour, 2 hours, half an hour. The timing and the session is on you. Again, you can choose the maximum number of guests per session over here. The next option is reason for booking. If you want any small note from your users before the booking, you can just choose this option. You can click on the toggle to turn this option on or off. Click on the Save button to create your experience. Now the other users on the platform can view and book your experience. This video guides you through creating, customizing, and managing experience listings, including adding images, setting schedules, pricing options, and editing details.